Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Cami and today we're going to be talking about must-have beauty items from Target. I go to Target so much. I'm currently doing a Target giveaway listed down below. Click there if you're interested in entering the giveaway. I'm always at Target looking for new makeup, but I really also buy self-care items there. Hygiene and showering and brushing your hair, brushing your teeth, all that stuff need to happen like every day, like on a daily basis. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So let's get started with this haul. Do they only have one size of bag? I feel like they don't have really tiny ones, which I really like. So let's go ahead and start with the first item that I have talked about before in like a travel video, but here we go because I needed to get them again. I love the Up and Up brand by Target. They have really good items. I get their trash bags, but that is for home life. But I do use the Up and Up triple blade razor. You guys, I love these razors. I do feel like all my hair is gone with like one swipe. When I shave my legs, I use these razors. I also love the way that the handle feels in my hand. It's got like a little bit of like rubberized grip ridging. That's this white part right here, so like your fingers don't slip. I mean, I cannot smell the lavender scent on here or anything like that, but they're pretty. They look good in my shower and they really work. They give me a good clean shave. I love that. So let's move on to something else. Oh, let's stick with whatever else is purple. Okay, so this was the one makeup related thing that I did buy from Target. I always use like sponges to do my makeup. I use that sponge today. So here is the Bio Blender by Eco Tools. You guys, it's a really pretty lavender color. It's got like the slanted side and then it's rounded at the bottom. You can use this to apply cream makeup, foundations, CC creams, your tinted moisturizers. Those are so popular right now. It's 100% certified biodegradable, USDA certified natural ingredients, 100% plantable paper packaging. So here on the packaging on the back it says plant me. It's biodegradable, so it's not just gonna sit in a landfill for like 50 years and not break down. It's going to break down. So you gotta have a sponge when you're doing your makeup. I have very thick, coarse, long hair. I straighten it. That's why it looks like this. I straighten it. My hair is really, really big. Maybe I can find a picture of it and put it on the screen for you. I can put on the screen how long it was. Like, oh my gosh. And I always use like a big paddle brush to brush my hair. I have more than one of them on my desk, but this is my desk and I like to leave things here for what I want for videos. So I need multiple brushes. You guys, I bought another brush. I love paddle brushes, the big paddle brushes that get to your scalp to make sure that there's no tangles like up here. And also when you're brushing your hair, I recommend starting at the bottom and then working your way up. That way the tangles are gone from the bottom. So with each stroke, your tangles should become less and less. This one is by Conair. It's the soft touch grip one. I guess grip really matters to me. It mattered to me with the razor. So here, you know, if it's wet or I have product on my hand like a cream or a gel that I put in my hair, this should stay in my hand firmly. Yeah, it's just a good size. I just wanted a big new paddle brush and I like Conair. I've been using Conair products since I was like 11. So this is the #1 hairbrush brand, it says. That's interesting. I didn't know that. So it just says classic style. Yeah, it's got the big bristles the way I like. So, ooh, these are so pretty. I love wearing red nails like on my regular fingernails, but sometimes I'll put on like a fake nail. Look how pretty these Kiss Glam Fantasy nails are. Just look, just look. I cannot wait to wear these. Look how gorgeous they are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you just want to feel better and you are, you know, sort of a girly girl, if you would classify yourself like that, or a girly guy, I'm for everyone who wants to be themselves, it's fine. These long length Kiss nails, I just love them. I don't discriminate between like nail brands and stuff. I'm just not that into nails, but when I want to do my nails, I love to pick like a medium to long length. I love to glue them on. I do have some press-on nail packages, but I love to glue them on. I like them to be on for a while. So I just cannot wait to wear these. Makeup removing cloths. You guys, you cannot underestimate the power of having a black towel in your house for anything, especially if you wear makeup. You don't want a white towel that's gonna show everything. Even though, you know, I do my laundry, I clean my towels and things like that. These have a hangable loop. Here's a cute pink one that I might keep here in this room because this is where I tend to do my makeup most of the time. Okay, so to use, simply wet the cloth with warm water, wipe your face in gentle circular motions, and say goodbye to your makeup. For self-care, towels are important. All right, so sometimes I will shave some areas and then other times I will wax some areas, you guys. There is the Flamingo body wax strips. This is the kit. They do have the face wax strips. So in the body wax kit, you get 24. What I like about this is you get 6 post wax cloths. So it just helps you with like the cleanup and things like that. So you can also get these at Target. If you don't wax, that is fine. If you don't shave, that's fine. Target has something for you. All right, guys, so that is my bag of self-care items from Target. You guys, I can't wait to go back because I feel like it's a new week. What day is it? It is Tuesday. I feel like it's a new week. I got these things last week. It's a new week. I want to go back. I want to see what makeup they have. I want to see what self-care and beauty items they have. I just already want to go back. I like love Target. If you're like that, please give this video a like. That is my self-care haul for Target, you guys. I'm very excited to actually put those nails on and to use that sponge. I want to know how soft it's going to be. If you know how soft it is, please write that in the comments down below. Let me know. All right, guys, so I will see you in my very next video. Oh man, I can't believe I forgot to do a proper outro. But guys, I just want to say, don't forget to enter my Target giveaway. It is linked down below. Everything you see here on the screen is in the giveaway. Have a good day.